Good morning, friends. Welcome back to another video. I am starting out this vlog in the Trader Joe's parking lot. I just got here. I dropped off Alex this morning at school and then just drove straight over here. Today is Monday, and tomorrow Tuesday I start a 4-day trip. So I'm just here to pick up some food, and today's gonna be all about doing stuff around the house and doing like just things that I like to do before I go on a trip. So I have to do laundry, I have to fold my clothes, I have to pack everything, and then I also need to stop by the seamstress because I need to have my work pants altered. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you guys are new here, my name is Allie and I am a flight attendant in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I am the mommy of 3 little boys, and I vlog about the flight attendant life and just show you guys how I balance everything. So I feel like this vlog is going to be perfect for that because I'm doing mom stuff, work stuff, everything. So I'm gonna go into Trader Joe's and then get some food. I have chicken and frozen stir fry at home, so I'm just gonna buy fruit and then just a few other things for the house. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Alright, just leaving the post office. I picked up a few letters that you guys sent me, and I can't wait to sit down and read them all. So I just made it home. I stopped by the seamstress, but I wasn't able to get my pants altered because she is in the middle of the Christmas rush, the holiday rush. So she said that my pants weren't going to be ready until mid-January. So I think I'm just going to hold on to them. So I didn't get to do that, but I'm about to go inside the house. I'm taking like a couple minutes to myself before I go in. Does anyone else do that? I feel like I always need an extra 2 minutes before going into the house. Take a sip of coffee and then just tackle the day. Just got home and I'm gonna do a mini Trader Joe's haul. I know you guys missed these. So I picked up some beef broth to cook with the beef brisket. I saw it on Pinterest and I'm gonna give it a try. It's always a fail for me, so hopefully it comes out okay. I'm gonna do it in the Instant Pot. And then I got some olive oil, some sweet cream. This one and the Cold Stone one from International Delight is really good. We needed some Parmesan cheese. I picked up these chomps. I got the jalapeno beef stick and then just a regular beef stick. I picked up these hot cocoa stirring spoons, so it's kind of like those chocolate bombs that you can see everywhere on TikTok right now. But these have been at Trader Joe's for a few years. I just never tried them. And then I picked up one of these to have in my lunch bag. I picked up half a dozen of eggs so I can make hard-boiled eggs and then have them for breakfast on my trip. The boys love these cookies, so we always have to have them. And then, of course, then this bread is for Luca. He really likes this bread. Some lemon for my water on my trips, avocado. And then I like to take one of these cookies on my trips. I got this stuff for Kat because it's German and her husband's German, so I'm gonna drop it off when I go pick up Alex from school. And I'm not even gonna try and pronounce any of this, so it's German, that's all I know. And then just some fresh produce. I have some shredded cabbage, some carrots, some cucumbers, Persian cucumbers. I like to take these on my trips. Some asparagus for meal prepping, some celery juice, or celery for juicing with baby kale, spinach, and then my mango for my trips. I also forgot to take down a wreath and a poinsettia little planter that Trader Joe's has. I like to get those every year. They make me so happy. I look forward to that every year. So I'm going to put the wreath outside, and then the poinsettia, I'm going to put it in the entryway because the ones that I bought a few weeks ago are already dead. So, and then I also picked up this gingerbread house. Oh, I bet Kat would have liked this one because this is German. It's an authentic German cookie house. I'm gonna go in the office and reply to some emails, get some stuff ready to mail out, and then, oh, I have to put laundry in the washing machine right now so that I can have clean clothes for my trip. So I'm on my way to get Alex from school, but before that, I actually have to stop by Costco really quickly because we spilled formula all over the floor, so now we need to replace formula. I know that I do a lot of pumping videos, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm trying to wean. I've gone down to pumping once a day, so we are giving him formula now, and we get the Kirkland brand, the one from Costco, and it's like $19.99 for like a big tub, so that's just what has worked for us now with Leo and with Luca. And I also need some ink, and then I'm gonna go pick up Alex, and then we're gonna go home and continue to do everything else. So it looks like they don't sell the type of ink that I need here anymore. So I'm gonna have to stop by Target after I pick up Alex. One of these. So this is all the toilet paper that's left. It looks like we're gonna have a hard time finding toilet paper nowadays. Again. So it is 9 p.m. I have not packed. I have not meal prepped. I haven't done a single thing. I have been very busy with the kids, with the house. The kids are finally in bed. I'm just in bed right now, making sure that everything is up to date with my manual. So when I show up to work tomorrow, my manual better be in compliance. So meaning that I have read everything, every note, every bulletin, everything that is supposed to be on here has to be up to date. So if the FAA was to get on board my aircraft and ask to see my manual and it's out of compliance, I can get fined for every single flight that I have worked out of compliance. So it's very important to be in compliance. The next thing I'm going to do is I like to do laundry the day that I am packing for work. I just find myself being able to put everything away, fold the clothes, put it away, and then also pack my suitcase at the same time. So that's what I'm going to do now. And then the last thing I'm going to do is meal prep, so that the last thing I do is clean the kitchen. So that's just how I work. I go on a cleaning spree for some reason whenever I'm about to go to work. And my husband's like, just leave it, just leave it. And I'm like, no, I can't. I guess mentally it makes me feel better. But I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and just do this. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people. So I wanted to show you guys this jacket. I got this from Costco, I want to say maybe last year or this year actually. I got it this year during the summer because it was on sale and it was there. So this is supposed to be a packable jacket that you fold into the pocket, and then it looks like a little wristlet like this. So I'm going to try and fold a jacket into the pocket and we'll see. There you go. So here is the jacket. So excited for this because this is also a rain jacket, water resistant. It has a hood. I'm so excited that I got this. So I'm pretty much packed for my trip. I have just some workout clothes, a going out outfit, which is literally just leggings and a long shirt, I have my jacket. I have some workout stuff like a sweet sweat band and some resistance bands, my makeup, some undergarments, shower shoes, my curling iron, and that's pretty much it. So I'm packing very light because I don't really plan on doing anything in LA, to be honest with you. Oh, I'm just going to end the vlog here. I was supposed to start cooking, but I didn't meal prep. I might have to wake up early tomorrow morning and just start cooking some food before I take my son to school, because I just want to take him to school, you know. I'm going to be gone for 4 days, so I feel like it's just some extra alone time that we get to spend. But I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely be vlogging my 4-day trip, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around.